Okay, I have a question for you before we start today.
Okay, I am listening. What is the question?
Last night, did you look at your phone before sleeping?
Yes, I did. I watched one video. And then many videos.
Many videos. This is always the problem.
Yes, one video becomes 10 videos, and then it is 1 a.m.
I know this feeling very well. Okay, but here we are. Day 2. Day 2, we are doing it. We are keeping the streak alive. Exactly. And if you are watching this, you are keeping it alive too. Welcome back to the Dear English podcast.
If this is your first time here, welcome. We are so happy you found us.
Before we go into today's lesson, we have one small request. Please like this video and subscribe to the Dear English podcast. When you subscribe, you never miss a day of practice.
It is free and it helps us make more videos for you, so please subscribe. We really appreciate it.
Okay, let's begin day 2. Today we are talking about something very simple, but very important. We are talking about the things we do every day. Our daily routine. Oh yes, I love this topic because my daily routine is interesting. Interesting? That is one word for it. Okay, so let's start simple. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do, I open my eyes, and then I close them again.
You close them again?
Yes, because one eye opens and it is too bright. So I think, okay, 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes. This is called hitting the snooze button. But let's use a different phrase today. We say, I like to stay in bed.
Stay in bed. I like to stay in bed.
Perfect! Stay in bed means you are still lying down. You are not sleeping, but you are not getting up. You are staying in bed.
Yes, this is me. Every morning, I stay in bed for a long time.
Okay, but eventually you get up, right?
Eventually, I get up and then I wash my face. Cold water. Very cold.
Cold water? Why cold water?
Because it wakes me up. Hot water is comfortable and I fall back asleep. Cold water? I am awake immediately.
Good. So I wash my face. Wash. This means to clean with water. I wash my face. I wash my hands. Simple and important words. Say it with us. Wash. I wash my face. Wonderful. Okay, what do you do after washing your face?
Coffee. Immediately. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee.
I make coffee. Make is a great verb here. I make coffee. I make breakfast. I make lunch. Yes, but some days I do not make breakfast. I am too tired, so I buy breakfast outside. Okay. I buy breakfast. Or we can say I get breakfast outside. Very natural. My name is Daniel. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is wash my face. The water is cold. I feel awake immediately. Then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I do not drink coffee. Tea is warm and calm. After my tea, I get dressed. I open my wardrobe. I choose a blue shirt and gray trousers. I look in the mirror. I am ready. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes at 8:10. I get on the bus. I sit by the window. I watch the city. I feel good. Today is a good day.
I really like Daniel. He is calm. He is organized. He is not me.
He is not you, but we can learn from him. Did you hear the phrases? Wake up, Wash my face. Make a cup of tea. Get dressed.
Yes. Simple sentences. Subject plus verb. Very clear.
Good observation. Subject plus verb. I wake up. I wash. I make. I leave. Short and powerful. Try this at home. Describe your morning. Use these same short sentences. Yes, this is your homework. And do not worry if it is not perfect. Just try. Every sentence you make is progress.
Okay, it is time for our vocabulary review. These are today's key words and phrases. Let's go through them together.
Let's do it.
The vocabulary list is being read per speech therapist. Stay in bed. To remain lying down without getting up. Example, I like to stay in bed on Sundays. Wash my face. To clean your face with water. Example, every morning I wash my face. Make coffee. Make tea. To prepare a hot drink. Example, I make coffee before I leave the house. Get breakfast outside. To buy food from a shop or cafe. Example, I am lazy today. I get breakfast outside. Wardrobe. The place where you keep your clothes. Example, I open my wardrobe and choose a shirt. Get dressed. To put on your clothes. Example, after my shower, I get dressed. Leave the house. To go outside. Example, I leave the house at 8 o'clock. Feel good. To have a positive feeling. Example, I drink my tea. I feel good.
These phrases are so useful. I use almost all of them every day.
Exactly. These are not textbook phrases. These are real life phrases. Use them, practice them, and they will become natural very quickly.
That is it for day 2 of the English Fluency Challenge. You did a great job today.
Day 2, complete. How does it feel?
If you are watching this, it feels great because you showed up. That is what matters most.
Remember, you do not have to be perfect. You just have to practice every single day.
And if you have not subscribed to the Dear English podcast yet, please do it now. We upload new practice videos regularly, and we want you to be there for everyone.
Also, leave us a like. It really helps more people find this channel. More people find us, more people improve their English. It is a good thing for everyone.
Okay, and now it is your turn to speak. Here is today's question of the day.
Today's question is, what is the first thing you do every morning?
Here is your sentence template. Write this in the comments. Every morning, the first thing I do is blank.
For example, every morning, the first thing I do is make coffee. Or every morning, the first thing I do is check my phone.
Write your answer below. We read every comment, and we are so proud of you for practicing.
See you tomorrow for day 3. Same time, same place.
Take care, keep practicing, and we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.